Okay, so I'm out on my new e-bike, actually conversion kit. I'm out in the country, just riding down some nice quiet roads. So here's the bike. Got the battery there. The motor's on the front. You can see I got a little torque arm there, all configured so we don't, these motors are pretty powerful. You don't want them ripping out of your front forks. Here's the display. Hard to see. Let me turn it on here. There it is. So you can see the display. Tells you how fast you're going, all kinds of stuff. It's pretty configurable. There's my throttle. So right here. And there's the switch to control the display. And that's about it. Got a little light here, but that's not part of the kit, which is something I purchased. So what I'm going to do is take it for a little ride with the motor, and you'll see how it works.